ASUS today announced X407 and X507, a pair of compact and lightweight laptops designed for daily computing and entertainment. They're powered by up to a 7th generation Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce MX110 discrete graphics, and feature a dual storage design with a 1TB HDD and 256GB SSD. X507 has a 15.6-inch FHD IPS-level NanoEdge display with a slim bezel for an immersive viewing experience. Both feature a fingerprint sensor for quick and easy logins with Windows Hello. Despite its large display, X507 is extremely portable, with an overall weight of just 1.68 kilograms. The 14-inch ASUS X407 weighs just 1.42 kilograms. Everyday laptops with amazing performance. Both X407 and X507 are designed for daily computing and entertainment, and are powered by up to a 7th generation Intel Core i7 processor with up to 8GB DDR4 memory, and NVIDIA GeForce MX110 discrete graphics. They have a dual storage design that can be specified with up to a 1TB HDD and a 256GB SSD. These Windows 10 laptops also support new and exciting Windows features including Cortana with voice recognition, allowing the user to wake the device from sleep mode simply by using the "Hey, Cortana" voice command. For maximum convenience and compatibility, X507 includes a USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, an HDMI port and a microSD card reader, as well as two X2802.11 AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. Both laptops support fast charging, requiring only 49 minutes to charge a near-flat battery to 60%. In addition, ASUS SuperBattery technology ensures a 3x longer battery lifespan compared to traditional laptop batteries. NanoEdge display for immersive Full HD visuals. X407 and X507 feature a NanoEdge FHD display with a slim bezel for an immersive viewing experience. The narrow bezel design provides a larger screen area, while 178 degrees wide view technology enables viewing from extreme angles without any color shift, making it perfect for sharing content with friends and colleagues. For a 15.6-inch laptop, X507 is extremely compact and portable, with a thin 21.9mm profile and an overall weight of just 1.68 kilograms. Meanwhile, the 14-inch X407 weighs just 1.42 kilograms. They are available in a choice of star gray or icicle gold finishes. Built-in fingerprint sensor. Despite being entry-level laptops, X407 and X507 both have a built-in fingerprint sensor for quick and easy logins with Windows Hello. With each fingerprint being unique, it's a more secure way of ensuring that user profiles and data stay safe. A 360 degrees recognition function ensures accurate scanning, even if the user's hand is wet. Exclusive ASUS software and technologies. X407 and X507 feature exclusive software and technologies including ASUS TRU2LIFE Video, ASUS Splendid and ASUS Sonic Master Enhanced Audio. TRU2LIFE Video makes any video look amazing. Through intelligent algorithms, it optimizes the sharpness and contrast of every pixel in every frame by 150% to produce incredibly vivid and realistic visuals, while Splendid Display technology optimizes imagery to provide richer, deeper, and more accurate colors. Sonic Master Audio technology, developed by the ASUS Golden Ear team, delivers the most incredible sound ever heard on a laptop, thanks to its innovative combination of hardware and software.